Today we install a very unique and very useful product from Roush Performance on our 2018 Mustang GT. This Roush toolkit is going to install on the inside of the trunk lid on your 2015 through 2020 Mustang. It'll fit both fastback and convertible models and comes with some basic hand tools so you need to work on your car on the side of the road. You've got basic wrenches, tire pressure gauge, tire depth gauge, some wrenches, a flashlight, and even a set of gloves. This also looks great installed in the trunk. Again, will work with fastback or convertible thanks to both sets of brackets being included by Roush Performance. For this installation, you need a 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch socket, plastic pry bar, scissors, center punch, drill, 3 30-second drill bit, and safety glasses. Now the first thing you want to do is go over to roushperformance.com and download the instructions. Because even though we're going to show you how to do the installation here, there are a couple templates included with the instructions that you will need for the install. First thing we're going to do is pop the trunk and remove the cover. Start by unscrewing the 2 rubber stoppers. Pop this cover off. Then remove all the plastic push pins. I go to the back of the instructions and cut out the template. Again, make sure you have the correct one. We're working on a fastback. Double check the scale too. Just make sure for whatever reason it didn't measure it the wrong, because then you'll be drilling extra holes in your trunk that you don't want. Cut out everything as shown, including these 2 holes here. What I'm going to do is take the factory plastic clips, actually put them in these holes to hold the template in place, make it easier to mark everything. Basically, this goes just like this. Now what we'll do is push this down into place. Now grab the bracket again. Make sure you get the correct one. They are labeled on the back, right hand and left hand. But the one that ends in 16 is for a fastback, 06 is going to be for a convertible. Basically just line up the holes. Make sure they're in the right spot. These lined up down here, grab your punch, use the bracket to mark the top. Now flip the template over. Do the same thing over here on the driver's side. Now we're going to use a 3 30-second drill bit to drill out some pilot holes for the supplied hardware. I suggest getting some electrical tape and make a stop like this. Not that you would go through it, but the metal is very, very thin on these trunk lids, and it is easy to go a little bit too far, which could ding the top of your trunk. I grab the supplied hardware. We get them all started before you tighten them all the way down. All right, now we're going to modify our factory trunk carpet. Grab the template from your instructions. These holes are lined up with where these go. Again, fastback and convertible are unique. We'll put that in, that's where we're going to punch a hole. Flip the template to do the same thing for the other side. You can cut this out, you can grab a drill, but honestly the easiest thing, just grab a decent sized Phillips screwdriver and just push it in. That'll make the hole large enough for the stud to pass through. All right, the modification's made. Now we can reinstall the carpet. Reinstall all the push pins, basically everything we did to remove the carpet in the earlier step. Okay, grab these provided lock rings, push them over the stud, push the carpet down. Okay, now I'm gonna grab these spacers, and I have a nut with a nylon insert, and thread them on, you see, until it reaches the carpet. The Roush provides thumb screws to make it easy to remove the toolkit if you would choose to. Now, if you do plan on leaving it in the car, probably put a little bit of Loctite on the studs before you install these. Now, to install these, we got to remove the gloves from the kit. So line up with the studs, thread on the thumb screws. Again, if you do plan on kind of permanently mounting this, definitely put some Loctite on here to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. You reinstall our gloves, and your installation's finished. All right, so I gotta admit, when we began the installation, I really wasn't sold on this toolkit idea, but now it's installed, I actually kind of dig it. This is something I'd love to have in my own car. The installation is pretty straightforward, as you saw. Give yourself maybe an hour or so, and be back on the road in no time.